Me love me here say Tiki there in Mexico. Me love them like Tiki up in a detention over there. Derrick, me not same can go Mexico or whatever, you know, but that story they too hard to believe right now because there's a lot of people on the internet speaking out. I may have a friend who just married me love and she and her husband a go Mexico and them turn them back. Them not accepting anybody, so me no know. God must sit up on him side. Me have to see that me love, to believe me love. And the people them just married me love and I go there on vacation. Them not take no Jamaicans, them a put them back on plane. So me no know. It's so hard to believe, but me I try believe. Until him cross over, then we can say yes. But all the best. Guys, me I be gonna something upon the live goal. Me I be gonna something upon the live goal. Nobody can give me something upon the live goal.
Top up the stream, guys. Top up the stream. Send something to Uncle Derrick. Please and thanks.
Guys, power tap, guys. Power tap. Thank you for the rose, Queen. Thank you so much. Thank you for the rose. Good morning to you, Uncle Derrick.
Morning to you, guys.
Guys, no man on have to help out Queen, my love. Nobody know there can help out Queen. The people I'm not even that tap up the screen.
Actually, going on something copy, some kind of matter.
What one for Rosalie? Me not see Rosalie. She won ball last night.
Mrs. Spice that play a match with some of them.
Yeah, Spice go number one. Spice go number one.
TikTok it go on in the elevator. It one here. We don't want to hear about no blood clot. Want to hear about your business. When you got the 10-inch in your mouth that it's not in the elevator, you want to hear about. We don't want to hear about no blood clot business. Talk about that business. If you talk about that business, top of the screen, we don't want to hear about
10-inch in the elevator.
We don't want to hear about the business. We don't want to hear fear business and put our quote out to on that right here now. We don't want to hear about people business.
Tatiana, you couldn't tell me for ticket there in Mexico. Thank you for the rose, guys. Maybe gonna some taps. Maybe gonna something on the live goal.
Really young, you say.
Maybe gonna something on the live goal.
Tatiana, where she say?
Who Tatiana? Tatiana said she just a ear.
Ask if you ask her, I say if you can get through, because you say him over there take a beer picture.
That simple means she got drop the border just now.
No, she'll come back, she'll be advocate and say she can pan.
Nobody now go to Mexico, waste them time go to Mexico and come back, Derrick. Nothing can no go so. That fit show you say she don't there no Mexico because nobody man not take up themselves from Jamaica go to Mexico and turn back. You mad? Who are gonna waste them time and do that? Him could never there in Mexico because I know if Tiki there in Mexico, Tiki now come back. If Tiki send up on vacation in Mexico and him a come back, him a lie. It's a lie. Because nobody now waste them how much thousand go in Mexico. When you have so many other nice places to go. You understand me? Even Panama now go cost as much money for go to Mexico. Because first thing, you as a visitor going to Mexico, you have to book hotel. You have to make sure say your thing well up to date and up to standard for them even approve you in a them country. So if Tiki say in Ghana, Mexico, and him a come back a lie, he down there in Mexico, no don't listen to Tiki. Cause me know Tiki and your Tiki a go to Mexico, Tiki a go jump the border. So any your Tiki come back and know Mexico Tiki there. I lie them a tell. Common sense that.
You need to do a video and talk about it. No, we're not done.
That is common sense. No gay people where they are Jamaica suffer. You understand me? I go to Mexico. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. You understand me? And me no Tiki wouldn't mind him get the opportunity to jump the border. Much as to go to Mexico and turn back when you're close to the wall. What can go so? Then me could have gone to Mexico and I look about oh me gone on vacation to come back. I jump the border, you see. All when Donald Trump say I go dash me out. Me still a go. That simple meaning is not in Mexico. Maybe him gone somewhere.
Tatiana forgot to talk about that point because she's a businesswoman. When I catch again, she's a journalist. I tell she want to keep on her life now.
Rose say him stuck in a Mexico.
What?
Hello, listen to me now. Listen to me now, people.
Come on.
What are now?
Yeah, we got any life now. We go up on a business talking. No, we got any life after the match. We go up on a bit. You come on here, let me come on here.
Derrick, before we end the live, hold on there. Tatiana, let us be real. Let us be real, right? If you, as a gay person, leave Jamaica, you're gone to Mexico, you know the things that you're going through in Jamaica as a Batman. Would you want to take back a plane to go back to Jamaica say you're on vacation? I want somebody answer my question. Because we are not idiots. And if it's a case where him there Mexico, right? If it's a case where him there Mexico, right? If him there Mexico and him reaching a Mexico and it's a case where I'm stranded in a Mexico, Tiki would have clicked him live long time. Him can't stranded in a Mexico and bad to bad the people on social media would have helped Tiki. So if you say you come back because you're stranded in a Mexico, that simple means say something not right. We're not idiots, you know. We're not idiots. We're not idiots. Because me now go to Mexico and turn back myself, but me I go to Jamaica. I lie, me say if I swim, me have to swim. If I climb, me have to climb. And if me stuck in a Mexico, me I click my live and say, guys, this is the case. This is where I am at. Slime would be too, you know. But Jaden don't look like him now no old. Jaden now no old.
Fabi, you say the man with a pencil and a blood clot.
Guys, on the power tap, me have 50 people over here on the net for that top of the screen. You know me go start black summer, you know. Me go start black summer, you know.
Come on, phone. Anybody want me chase you? No, come up. Me, too money go me cost some girl phone. Too money go now. Too money go me start the cost. I think that Thursday cussing here. Come. When my blood clot, one cause no come up and them and come on my back. May I clip my back so come trace, come.
I saw the orange girl and walk and take set from people. You see all this girl will come in the comment section and come talk about me enough. No man no want her. No man no blood clot want her. That's why she come here, sir.
We are looking today. Me have look 10 and 5 in the cash shop. I will call some people today. Come up, guys.
No man no want her blood clot. That's why she torment.
I put the time in my blood clot. Guys, what do you think about ticket in Mexico? In camp on vacation in Mexico.
My father could never want your blood clot come out and made her slide down.
So good, you leave the man alone, circle. Rotten crutch.
Hungry like your big stinking mama where I walk and I lick out crutches.
So good.
I'm out water fertilize your mama egg. Move your blood clot and way.
Nothing in the cash up now. We look at me, we are looking to the command. Put some in the cash up. $5, $10, $5, $10. Cash up. We go to one about Mexico, you know, man. Me go meet Shema at Trinidad, we go Mexico. Come on, guys, come.
Dirty orange girl. Now the purple act. Them say any girl will wear purple, them are whore.
Blood
You
clot.
pick your mother man. Your mama catch up on her man. Move your blood clot and go away. Go drink salt water.
When I move on a blood clot, when I'm thinking right now, girl, when I move on a blood clot, you start. Just think like that. Come on, girl, let's send some gift to Uncle Derrick, please and thanks.
Guys, tap up the screen, guys.
With the pan ticket and a pan Mexico upon vacation. Show a lie, come. If anybody for show a lie, wanna put something like that.
Listen to me now, make us see that girl I don't hear some. Sam. How names? Let me see how old is.
Everybody a Mexico, wanna drop our roses. Come, wanna drop something right now. Wanna drop something right now for Uncle Derrick. Drop something right now. Take it Panama. Trouble about Panama. Take it Mexico. Take it Mexico right now. People, no come on. But we don't know. She said, nobody man now. If you're gonna vacation, Chema, nobody now. Me look into it down. Nobody now go Panama. Trouble about I'm Happy birthday, my makeup artist. Happy birthday, my friend Moby.
Thank you, Derrick.